Good afternoon, Hoboken High School, and happy Tuesday. I hope my note finds you doing well. I just wanted to touch base about a couple of things. Number one, for my senior class, I have sent out a survey, and I'm short about 22 responses. So, um, if you did not receive the survey, just email me and I'll send it to you in an email, but I must get completion of this. Number two, it is June 2nd. We are in the final days of our remote learning. For all of you that have been online, Zooming, touching base with teachers, been in your Google Classrooms, I applaud you. You've done a great job with this work, and it hasn't been easy. It's a tough transition. So great job. For those of you who need to get on there and do a little more work, you still have time. You have about 3 weeks left. So it's really important for marking period 4 that you end on a positive note. Many have asked about final exams. So final exams will be administered only if you need or wish to take a final exam to boost your grade. If you want to work with just the grade point average you have, that's fine. We mark excused and it doesn't get calculated into your final grade. But some of us might need those couple extra points to get us from the D to the C or the C to the B or the B to the A. And I ask that if you really want to do that, reach out to your teacher. They'll make that available to you. For those who are on the cusp, it's not a choice. You will be taking a final exam because we want to give you every opportunity to pass this. For those who struggled at the start of the year, at the end of the year, we are going to put something in place this summer for you to make up work, because we will not have a traditional summer school, but we will have credit recovery and online work for those who did not make the grade. If you pass, but you're on the low end of the passing, we got to fill in those little gaps that might exist. So you're going to be required to do some online learning over the summer. If you did not make the cut and you just did not make it, that's okay. I want you to enter the year in the appropriate grade. So we're going to have some online work for you to complete to earn back those credits. For my seniors who are on credit recovery, time is ticking. We've got 3 weeks left. You need to log on and complete those assignments. It's very important. At this time, as I said in my survey, we are still capped at 25 people for outside graduation ceremonies. So we are going to probably be working in groups of 6, where each student gets to bring 2 guests. I will be present. Dr. Johnson will be present. The board president will be present as we present diplomas. You will do the cap and gown. We will have pomp and circumstance, so you can walk into that. And then we're going to put together a video of everyone. But in between here and there, if numbers change, we will adjust accordingly. I will put us at the maximum number we're permitted at outside venues. Right now, that is still at 25, so I cannot do anything. So I will leave it at 6 graduates with 2 guests, and then I have to have a videographer, a photographer, board president, Dr. Johnson, and myself, Ms. Gleason. So we will, as information unfolds about this and it doesn't change, we will finalize and we will have time slots for people to elect to be in. But that's premature right now, as we still have a month before we hit that point. It's slated for July 8th, which is a Wednesday. If it was raining on that Wednesday, the 8th, the next day would be the ceremony for everyone. So we will push it out until we get the weather necessary for us to hold this ceremony for all of you. I forgot my cards at home. I will remember them tomorrow. So at this point, I'm going to sign off. I hope you have a great day. I miss you all. Please make it count.